29 for 1 after 3 overs. The captain is back in the hut, bowled by Raja for 14. Bhaskar and Rajiv still at the crease. Still a lot of batting to follow for Karnataka Bulldozers. The likes of Darshan, Dhruv. Once again taking on the fall. That's a poor delivery. A gift really as far as Bhaskar was concerned. And taking that gleefully on that occasion.
Well, everything right about that shot. No doubt it's a juicy full toss, but the way he put it through covers, I think it would have been hit to any part of the ground. But he chose the most difficult part, going on the offside, very confident of his abilities, and she's ecstatic.
Yeah, and the moment definitely Bhaskar, he's looking good. He's batted well. Once again striking very nicely, but straight to the field, a bit of misfield as well at mid-off, resulting in a single here. This is where Bengal have to be very smart. They have to be spot on in the field.
But in the end, he managed to save it quite well, saved a couple of runs for his side. That's the captain of the Bengal Tigers, Jeet, a very famous personality in the eastern parts of the country.
And also Jishu, because he's also played some cricket at the under-19 level as far as Bengal go. He's the owner of the Bengal Tigers, Mr. Boni Kapoor, watching the proceedings intensely.
Well, he wanted to have a team last season, but was probably late for it. But he's made sure that he's part of the CCL, which is so very important for film stars. And he's making his presence felt. It's a nice defensive shot by Rajiv. All these players, Ajay, mind you, they've worked very hard and they train very hard to be in prime shape when they participate in the CCL, and they take it very seriously. It's not fun cricket for them, and they want to leave a mark.
And this exactly, as you rightly pointed out, Sanjay, you can observe as well the way they are playing, the way they are batting, fielding, that intensity on the field as well. They are giving their all. They know they have to have full commitment, and the competition, as you mentioned earlier as well, is just growing in this league.
And just to reiterate, I think close to 10,000 people coming and watching this game. Not many people come and watch even one-day internationals these days. So you can be very sure of the fan following that this concept has generated.
That should be a wide, and that's the call from the umpire as well. He's wavering his line. He's got to bowl within the stumps here in the seal. Has been a touch expensive so far. Extras moving on to 4. But this is one area, one aspect they have to be really keeping things in check. The extras. That's a good delivery to finish the over. 35 for 1.